watching SGT Times, your daily dose of campus buzz and beyond. I am Arzu Sood. Let's have a look at the top stories. SGT University hosts Good Governance Conference honoring Vajpayee's legacy. 15 states UTs selected for Republic Day parade. Delhi tableau rejected. SGT University celebrates Christmas with enthusiasm. Haryana to witness dense fog and cold waves. Now the news is in detail. Rambhau Malgi Prabodhini, in collaboration with SGT University, proudly presents the landmark conference Good Governance through Effective Implementation, commemorating the birth centenary of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Let's dive into the details.
This event celebrates the essence of good governance envisioned by Vajpayee ji and continued under the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Distinguished leaders including Shri Nayab Singh Saini, Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana, Professor Manik Saha, Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, and Shri Om Prakash Chaudhary, Honorable Finance Minister of Chhattisgarh, will share governance milestones from their states. Dr. Vinay Sahasrabuddhe, Vice Chairman of Rambhau Malgi Prabodhini, will chair the event reflecting on Vajpayee ji's vision. Achievements of Dr. Sachidanand Joshi and Dr. M. Srinivas will be recognized for their transformative contributions. This conference unites policymakers to inspire impactful governance and innovative policy implementation strategies. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Delhi's tableau proposal for Republic Day 2025 has been rejected by the expert panel. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal will showcase their theme instead. Let's have a look.
The Republic Day Parade, a symbol of India's cultural heritage and unity, will feature tableaux from 15 selected states and union territories. Delhi's proposal did not meet the panel's expectations this year, while 5 states, including Andhra Pradesh and Haryana, stepped up to bring their unique traditions and vibrant themes to life. With a new 3-year rotation plan, every state and UT will get a fair chance to participate and shine on Kartavya Path by 2026. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. SGT University celebrated Christmas with decorations, carols, and festive activities. Students and staff come together to enjoy the joyous event. Let's have a look.
SGT University came alive with the joy and warmth of Christmas celebrations. The campus was adorned with twinkling lights, beautifully decorated trees, and festive displays that captured the essence of the season. Melodious carols, fun games, and vibrant activities brought together students and staff, fostering a sense of unity and community. The event was a perfect blend of celebration and togetherness, spreading smiles and festive cheer all around. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Yellow alert for dense fog has been issued in 15 Haryana districts. Light rain is expected to intensify the cold wave further. Let's dive into the details.
Haryana is bracing for harsher winters as the temperature continues to dip. Hisar recorded a bone-chilling 2.5 degrees Celsius, and light rain on December 23 is likely to make conditions colder. The Met Department has issued a yellow alert for dense fog, expected to reduce visibility across 15 districts. Adding to the winter woes is the alarming air quality, with AQI levels soaring above 350 in major cities, raising significant health concerns for residents. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
That's all for today in SGT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.